The most common question I get asked, even more than how I get such nice arms, is what do you eat in a day? So I'm gonna break it all down for you right now. My name's Meredith Shirk, and here's what I eat a day so I never have to worry about my weight again. Ever thought staying in shape meant eating bland food? Well, not in my book. With all the hats that I wear, trainer, CEO, and a busy mom, I need meals that are not just tasty, but also energizing. My magic ingredient, superfoods. Just by adding superfoods to my meals, I'm able to rev up my metabolism and burn fat while eating delicious foods. Every morning, I begin with a refreshing glass of lemon water. Besides rehydrating my body, it jumpstarts my digestion and gives that crucial vitamin C boost. One of my favorite go-tos is scrambled eggs and cooked in coconut oil with turmeric and avocado, plus multi-grain toast. Right off the bat, I'm getting protein, healthy fats, and superfoods like turmeric, which reduces inflammation, while avocado has fiber, potassium, and vitamin E, plus so much more. Some days I have a coffee, which is black, with a teaspoon of cinnamon to really get my metabolism going. And then with the coffee, I switch it up either between some sort of egg skillet with salmon for added protein, or fluff cakes, which really means just fluffy pancakes because my kids are kind of crazy and that's what they call them. I make them with almond flour and add any berries that I have on hand. You can even put them in the freezer in advance just to make your life a little bit easier. They're crazy filling, protein-packed meal that feels like a Sunday morning treat. Now, if I'm feeling really hungry, I'll do the pancakes and the eggs, what I usually do. Then in between breakfast and lunch, I usually have an apple and peanut butter because you have to have the crunchy and the creamy of the sweet and salty in the apple and the peanut butter mix. It is so good. It's a perfect snack. Plus the fiber from the apples and the protein from the peanut butter really hold me over into lunchtime. So for lunch, I opt for a salad to recharge my body, but not some wilted lettuce rabbit food nonsense. I'm talking about a tasty chicken kale salad, duly topped with avocado, eggs, crunchy walnuts, cranberries, and a drizzle of vinaigrette. Not only is this a flavor explosion, but it also is bursting with nutrients, and by using the kale, it's another amazing way to add superfoods to your diet. I get the added benefits of vitamin C, vitamin K, antioxidants, and it's so good for your bones, heart, and burning fat. I always try to season it with as many meta-influencing spices as I possibly can. Usually right after lunch, I'm still pretty hungry, so I like to snack. I usually make a big batch of chocolate truffles or some skinny brownies and stick them in the freezer, and I'll have 1 or 2 right before dinner. Now, if I'm feeling that midday slump, I like to grab a banana, but I supercharge it with almond butter, which lowers blood sugar and cholesterol, a dash of cinnamon, which actually boosts metabolism and is anti-inflammatory, and a few berries, which helps the bloating. And finally for dinner, it's usually a high-protein veggie stir-fried like turkey or meat or fish, something like that gives me the protein that I need, plus all of the amazing superfoods. It has brown turkey, arugula, bell peppers, cauliflower, carrots, broccoli, which is a superfood, flax seeds, which is a superfood, and extra virgin olive oil. You guessed it, a superfood. Sometimes I'll order a pizza if it's been a really long day. I absolutely love pizza, and I usually pile on a ton of meta-influencer super spices to give my metabolism that extra kick. I don't like to eat dinner too late, but after dinner I may have a square of chocolate or some almonds, sometimes a few ounces of trail mix. I do have a big sweet tooth, I do have to say, and I also have a big salty tooth too. I guess I have just big teeth in general. Nutrition doesn't mean compromising taste. With a little bit of planning and a sprinkle of metabolism-boosting superfoods, I enjoy every single meal and keep my energy soaring, and so can you. I do try to make sure I chug a ton of water throughout the day, about 4 liters, so I'm peeing all day long like a racehorse, but it's completely worth it. Really keeps my system running smoothly all day. And that's pretty much it. That's everything that I eat in a single day.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.